The automated station calculates the exact body mass and density. This data assigns a quality.
On the left, Process A prepares the snakes for full preservation. Across sterile divide,
The perfusion station floods the tissues with purified formalin, permanently fixing the cellular structure for long-term preservation and anatomical rigidity.
A micro-robotic sprayer applies a specialized, non-contaminating buffer solution directly to the...
Irrevocably split. Process separation lock confirmed. The raw material is proceeding down two entirely separate, non-overlapping industrial pipelines.
The latex-filled specimens are carefully transferred into climate-controlled curing chambers, where the colored latex is
Check 314 Alpha. Seal integrity confirmed.
Ready for immersion phase.
Welcome to the specialized milking suite for Process B, toxin extraction. We are now commencing the procedure on the high-yield corn snakes.
Ensure the foam inserts are properly seated.
Looks good. Product B is ready for distribution.
Manifest for product B is complete.
Confirmed. Pallet 52 is cleared for transfer.
Here in the screening facility, the corn snake toxin, or product B, is proving to be a critical lead compound. The data confirms specific pharmacological activity, validating the consistent quality and potency of the product.
Meticulously preparing the toxin for X-ray crystallography. This detailed structural understanding is critical for rational drug design.
Reasons.
The structural determination of product B confirm its stability. The screening results are promising.
This opens up avenues.
Great flowers. As you can see, the stability data for the lyophilized toxin is excellent. Process B optimized the long-term integrity.
Order 7B4 confirmed for Shanghai Bio.
Traceability looks good on the DLT.
Bar erlosian. As you can see, the plaque reduction is significant at this concentration.
The replication was almost completely inhibited.
We've successfully utilized the purified corn snake toxin, product B, in novel drug screening assays.
Robotic precision ensures the integrity of the drug candidates as they are prepared for the critical human trials ahead.
The patient response to product B has been overwhelmingly positive. This treatment is truly life-altering.
This patent filing for product B, derived directly from the corn snake toxin, represents a monumental leap forward.
Here's the latest batch of product B from process B.
Great, let's get them secured in the cryogenic freezer. Demand is still high.
The procedure was a complete success, sir. The data suggests the toxin is already targeting the affected cells.
Wonderful news, Doctor. Thank you.
to the breakthrough of product B.
Absolutely brilliant work, everyone.
Cheers.
The data derived from the corn snake toxin, specifically product B, provides a unique insight into molecular pharmacology.
Enter. As you can see, product B, derived from the corn snake toxin extract, is poised for explosive market growth.
Ensure all seals are checked before final placement. This shipment is critical for the global supply chain.
Copy that. Scanning now.
Given the potency of this new compound, we cannot overemphasize the importance of these safety guidelines.
That's the final dose administered. The treatment was a complete success.
I feel wonderful, Doctor. Truly, thank you.